There is no magic in agriculture, just the right soil, the right timing, the right crop, and consistent farm management.
So right here I'm seeing a different kind of species. So what species is this one?
So this is Simi 419.
Simi. Dakolo.
Simi
419. What's the difference between Simi 419 and that one?
So the major difference is that the duration of which they use under the ground. So this one just takes between 8 to 9 months.
Okay.
This one can take more than that.
Okay. And I think this is still also beautiful.
Yeah.
But they were not planted at the same time, I guess.
It is very close, very close.
Okay.
But you can see the difference.
So which of these will be harvested first?
This can be harvested first. Even with these differences, yeah.
Wow. Amazing.
And this is what we've built at Choice Farm Estate with 3 phases of over 60 acres. Now, our clients will be earning a 10 to 30% return on investment just by doing nothing. We do all the hard work. We take care of all the weeding, management, and everything up until harvest, and you earn. And this is the same agricultural foundation that we're putting into our Palm City project. Now, to get started, send us a DM. What are you waiting for?